This stunning, handsome, and tallest of all the flying birds. It's called Sarus Crane. Do you know if this bird is extinct or we are fortunate to be able to see it? What's your guess? Sarus population is fast reducing. It is classified as vulnerable on IUCN Red List with estimated population of 13,000 to 15,000 worldwide. If we do not take any serious efforts towards their conservation, our next generation may not be able to witness this magnificent bird. This happened about 2 years ago. It was our first birding trip, Keoldev National Park, Bharatpur in Rajasthan. This is one of the largest bird parks of India. It plays host to thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. Over 365 species of birds have made this national park their home. It was our second day at the park. As soon as we arrived, it started raining. We were wondering if it would be a wasted day, but decided to wait with patience under a security's cabin. After 30 minutes of heavy rain, weather cleared. We decided to walk in muddy paddy field, hoping to watch something unusual. As luck would have it, our patience paid, and we sighted two beautiful Sarus birds enjoying the fine weather and literally welcoming us with open wings. We were awestruck next 30 minutes. It was an experience that I can never forget in my lifetime. I fell in love with these birds at the first sight. Their romancing love dance, loud, far-reaching trumpeting calls, a spectacular dancing display, leaping around each other with outspread wings would beat any Bollywood movie dance sequence. No wonder it is customary in the Indian state of Gujarat to send newlyweds to watch these birds.
Every year, before the start of the nesting season, the bonds that bind pairs together are renewed with elaborate rituals. Dung throwing seems an unlikely way of appealing to a mate.
The Sarus crane is a large non-migratory crane found in parts of Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and Australia. The tallest of the flying birds, standing at the height of almost 6 feet, they are iconic species of open wetlands. They are omnivorous, eating insects, aquatic plants, frogs and seed. Who will think that ugly-looking crane baby grows to be a handsome bird in 270 days with soft, fully white coat, red head, upper neck and long red legs? It is surely one of the most beautiful birds. The name Sarus has originated from Sanskrit word Sarasa, means a lake. The legend is that the poet Valmiki cursed a hunter for killing a Sarus crane and was then inspired to write the epic Ramayana. Efforts to conserve Sarus crane need a slightly different approach of working with communities, as the birds are found in heavily populated and intensely used agricultural land. International Crane Foundation has identified that the effort requires focusing on working with small farmers to ensure that the pair remains intact and wetlands are maintained. Indian government has a bill pending that prohibits conservation of multi-cropped agricultural lands for township or any other development. Enforcement of serious punishment for any wildlife trade is required to send a strong message that conservation is very important. Let us join hands with ICF, government and other non-profit organizations working together to ensure that these magnificent birds are protected.